Look at that.
Huh?
Wow! It's a huge ship. Let's go up. Listen up, crew. Get ready to set sail.
What are they doing here? Why are you messing around on my ship?
We wanted to see what it was like on board. We didn't think anyone was here.
Nice to meet you all. I'm Captain Parrot, explorer of the ocean.
But I'm the captain here.
What? This is my ship, and that makes me the captain. Besides, I have the treasure map.
No way. I want to be the captain.
Not today. My ship, I'm the captain. Why did you do that?
Maybe here. Guess not. Where could it be? Owie! Guys, it's up there. Put it back together.
Off to find the treasure!
Aye, aye, Captain.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6.
Look at that. Isn't there a palm tree on the treasure map?
Huh? Wow!
We found the treasure. Of course, my crew will receive treasure as well.
Yeah.
Another one for you and for you.
Huh? Look at these! Mommy! There are eggs over here!
Ooh.
Oh, those are sea turtle eggs.
Whoa! The eggs have hatched. They crawl really well.
They're going on a journey to find their mom.
Turtle?
Let's go play upstairs.
Okay.
Nice.
Pass it to me. Right here.
Hey, Chip, catch this. Looks like he followed us here. I want that.
Oh, you want to slide? Whee!
Oh, I see we have a guest. That's nice to hear, but Baby Turtle needs to go to Mrs. Turtle.
Can we take him back to the beach together?
La 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 la.
Gotcha! Well, kids, it's time for us to leave.
Bye-bye, Baby Turtle!
Mrs. Koala!
Oh, welcome. Come on in.
Hello!
Hello, everyone.
Whoa! I really like your house.
Our house has lots of fun things to play with. Let me show you around.
Mr. Koala, thanks for watching my little ones.
Now focus. You're watching the kids, so there's no napping for you.
I understand. You'd better get going. Hey, kids, it's origami time. Let's go.
Origami!
Hold like this, and ta-da! A paper plane. Pretty cool.
It's mine! I had it first. That's your own yellow piece of paper. Ooh!
Hey, kids, now don't get upset. Here. Like this. And then we fold, and ta-da! Look here, a big, beautiful plane just like that.
Paper plane flies in the sky. In the sky. So
Time to fly! Woohoo!
Oh, you threw your airplane out the window.
I'm awake! What happened? What's going on? Where are the kids? Huh?
Hold tight. I don't want to be up here.
Just a little closer. We got it, guys!
Oh. Papa, thank you.
Right. Sure, anytime, kids.
Whoa. How pretty. What are these things?
Those? Those are milk bottles from Mrs. Cow. I need to return them to her.
Oh, wait for me, guys! I need a rest. What exactly is going on here? We're returning these to Mrs. Cow, and we're starting to get tired. It's exhausting work. Well, why don't you ask Mr. Hummingbird for help? Well, this is the delivery center.
Such a busy day. Whoa.
We have some milk bottles that need to be returned to Mrs. Cow.
I'll deliver that for you, kids.
Come on.
Just over this hill.
Come on.
Come on. Almost there.
Come on.
No.
Huh?
What have I done?
What are you all doing here? I don't know what to say.
We can help you.
Huh?
Yeah, we can help you.
Yeah! We did it!
Delivery for Mrs. Cow.
Hi, Mrs. Cow.
Oh my, you came such a long way. Thank you all very much. Well, thank you. We enjoyed the milk, Mrs. Cow. It's the least we could do. That's good. Can I interest you all in a cup of fresh milk?
Look, it's a shooting star. It's headed this way.
Wow, a star from the sky.
Wow. Ah, it's a starfish.
See up there? Mrs. Wild Goose gave me a ride all the way here. I was curious about the forest.
I'm glad you came to visit, but how are you going to get back to the sea?
Oh, yeah. I didn't think of that. Oh.
Hi, Mr. Crawfish!
Can you help us take Starfish back home?
We need your help!
All right, let's go.
Hey, Starfish, what are you up to? Are these your new fish friends?
We're trying to get to the Coral Reef Village, but the submarine has stopped working.
Ready, set, go!
Wow! Oh, hey guys, look. Oh, my friends!
Wow! They're all so beautiful!
Where did you go? We were looking all over for you. Well, I made it all the way to the forest, and my forest friends just brought me back.
Bye, Starfish! Take care! Visit us again!
Thank you, Pheasant. Until next time. Goodbye, forest friends. Here, subscribe to our channel.